Hello my friends and welcome to another video on my channel Stereo Specs. Today I am going to unbox the Hisense Party Rocker One Plus, the ultimate party starter. So let's begin the unboxing.
Thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. Thoughts of leaving when thoughts get thrown around, but we keep going on believing, and on till we're all cried out, 'cause we don't feel like throwing it all away. We don't feel like it. This time it's not about escaping. We don't feel like it. We don't feel like it. 'Cause we don't feel like throwing it all away.
Okay guys, after the unboxing let's see what the buttons on the control panel do. So we got here volume down and up, we have backwards on the song, stop and play, forwards on the song, and the pair button, the illumination button, the DJ options button, the vocal fader, the bass, the equalizer, the on off. Here we have a small display. Here we have the charging dock for your smartphone, and this is the place you can put your tablet or your smartphone to play. And those are some nice grips for you to carry the speaker. Okay guys, so on the back of the speaker we find the DC in, we find the USB port, the aux in, the aux out, the echo of the mic. This is the little button for the echo, down, up, okay, the level of the mic, down, up, the TVC button, you can pair the speakers with this button, and the guitar input, down, up. And down on the speaker you find the bass port and the charging output On the sides of the speaker we find the Hisense logo and some rubberies buttons for you to put the speaker on its side. Those are very useful. On the front of the speaker we find two woofers, two tweeters, and some dynamic lights. Let's fire this thing up and see how those lights are. Okay, the start of the speaker is very simple. Just press the on-off button. This is the control panel. After the startup, it displays pairing.
Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to unrealization. We can prepare to kill the operation. It ain't fair, but I feel it with the nation. To raise the flag and do the preparation. Welcome to reality, there's no way back. Welcome to reality. With that.
Okay guys, so let's hear how the speaker sounds wired, because the battery is running out. The song will be played at half volume, at 80% volume, and max volume, and the sound test starts right now.
I'll never mistake the way you give me my faith. My body feels safe in your hands.
This is half volume.
Feel me fully fade. I'm light as a fire that I'm not escape.
20% volume and 80% volume. This is half volume.
You just stay, stay.
70%. Guys, the sound coming from this speaker, believe me, it's amazing. It's very similar to the JBL sound on the JBL Party Box 110, but the price, the price is half than the JBL Party Box 110. I mean, the speaker really sounds good, and the bass it's on 4th level, but it's insane. It sounds awesome. Okay guys, so this was the sound test. I will make some microphone tests, okay, because we have not one but 2 mics, and then we will see how the mics are sounding. Okay guys, so this was the unboxing. Hope you like it. I'm going to make some tests with the speaker. I'm going to try out the mic too. Stay tuned on my channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you next time guys.